Hello friends. So today we are going to learn or know about basic things about DNA fingerprinting. Okay. So DNA fingerprinting it is actually used in various aspects and various purposes, right? So sometimes what happens, right, in news we have seen like when we are unable to detect, okay, we are unable to identify the actual parents of a boy or girl, then what we do, we refer to some medical technology, that is DNA fingerprinting. Okay, this is actually biotechnological aspects. Okay, from the biotechnological actually research it is derived. So what is actually DNA fingerprinting? So normal fingerprinting we know very well, right? In case of normal fingerprinting, like left thumb impression we give, right? So fingerprinting, actually what happens, fingerprinting uniqueness means whatever, like you have given a fingerprint, okay, you have given a thumb impression. So what happens, the pattern, okay, may be similar to other person as well, but not same. Mark my word, not same. It may be similar to another person, okay, the pattern, or the related person, or maybe relatives of you, okay, maybe the pattern of the uh, circles, the pattern of the uh, arc on your finger is similar with your relatives, but not, it will not be same with any other person. That is the normal fingerprinting. In case of DNA fingerprinting, what happens, it is on the basis of the DNA. Okay, so what happens, the DNA composition, the DNA pattern. So a little bit I will discuss about DNA. So DNA full form is obviously deoxyribonucleic acid. So where it located, it is located inside the cell. More precisely, it is located inside the nucleus, inside the cell, inside the nucleus. Okay, so DNA inside the nucleus, it is present in the chromosome. Okay, so it on chromosome is having so many lengthy part of DNA. Okay, so this is actually polymer form. Okay, so now what is happening, the DNA, in the DNA deoxyribonucleic acid. So deoxyribonucleic acid, okay, so deoxyribonucleic acid is actually polymer, and it is having so many it is having so many nucleotides. Okay, many nucleotides are present. The polynucleotides could be four types. Okay, four types: adenosine nucleotide, likewise, okay, adenosine, guanosine, thymine, and cytosine. So these are the four um, sugar. Okay, four type of sugar. These four type of sugar makes four type of nucleotide. Okay, so these four type of nucleotide is not always present in similar pattern. Okay, in a specific DNA, the pattern, the repetition of the nucleotide is actually unique. Means on specific person is having a specific nature of the repetition of the nucleotide. Means what comes after A, T, G, C, what comes after T, what comes after G, how many after how many repeated, after how many T, G is coming, or C is coming. Likewise, the pattern of the presentation of the those sugar base, okay, or nucleotide is different for from each from one person to another person. It could be similar, okay, but somehow the untranslated region is another word is there, untranslated region. So untranslated region means from the DNA uh, we get RNA, ribonucleic acid. Okay, then from RNA we get protein. Okay, so actually DNA is the main thing that is controlling the synthesis or the production of protein. Now what is happening, if DNA composition means the pattern of the nucleotide present in the DNA is differing from one person to another person, that means the type of protein that will be produced is also different, right? So this is the basic. And another thing, so the pattern, that pattern of the so untranslated region means in the DNA some parts are there that is not controlling, that is not making any protein. Okay, that is untranslated means it is not translated, means it is not it is not making any protein. These parts are untranslated. So these untranslated parts are unique. Untranslated parts are unique for each person. So in case of parental recognition, what do we do? If the boy or girl is having similar pattern of untranslated region in their DNA with some other person, with the some parent, okay, then we can say surely that the parent of those that boy or girl is that person only. Got you what? The untranslated region, the pattern or the repetition of the nucleotide is actually controlling the DNA fingerprint, the DNA form. From this basic principle, we analyze the suspected person's DNA fingerprint, DNA, and the boys or girls DNA fingerprint. In case of if we are trying to detect a criminal, okay, so how do we do? If we have some DNA fingerprint, okay, from the place of incidents, okay, then we can compare that DNA fingerprint with the suspected criminal, okay. If it is matching, okay, similar type of nucleotide pattern, similar type of repetition, similar type of untranslated region, then we can surely say that that person only did the crime, okay. So these are the aspects, okay. So okay, thank you.